So Vernon, what we got here, Vernon?
We got vinegar and baking soda.
I wonder what's gonna happen, huh?
Yeah.
Guess
Don't
we'll
put too
find
much.
out.
It won't work like last time. Now we will see what happens with baking soda
This what you
and
need.
vinegar.
Get a cap.
Get a cap. Make sure you don't.
Close it, close it, close it.
Messed up.
Messed up.
Okay, do it again.
Put more baking soda.
No, just do a second.
You should have saw that thing, man. More.
Vinegar. Put some vinegar on top of it. Get a cap, get a cap.
Clean this up.
Get a cap, get a cap. Here, here.
Get it, get it.
Hold it.
Now put vinegar.
It's not gonna work.
Holy. Let's just use this. Let's just use this.
Yeah.
You dump it, I don't get anyone. Wasting time.
Just put baking soda.
No. Wasting time. Where's the cap? Where's the cap?
Shake it up.
Got pressure?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Holy crap, you feel how cold it is? It's so cold.
I have no idea.
Put some more baking soda.
Anyways.
Ew, big soda nasty.
You just taste it.
Pop it on me.
See how cold that is?
Okay, go.
Prepare your eyes. Prepare your eyes.
I told you, get in new. You messed it up. Let's do it out here. Do the last time right here. Come on. Bring it out here. I'll do it this time. Here, no, look right there.
Oh, you gotta throw this one out. This one is working.
I know. Throw it over here. Here, someone record Nick.
Oh my God, my hands.
Record it with one hand.
You gotta do it quick.
One hand.
Okay.
Move your hand out.
Today we're doing.
No, you gotta get us. You gotta get us doing this.
Do I have to hold this?
Huh?
Do I have to hold this?
No, it's very good.
Look what vinegar and baking soda does.
All right, hold on.
Okay.
I'm gonna pop it. We'll put a little bit more. Wait.
Let's see what happens. A big mystery.
Does it?
Don't put too much.
Yes, do put too much.
Put too much baking soda. Close it.
Close it. Oh my God.
The cap is not working.
You can't do it anymore. You're wasting vinegar.
Let's go. The last one. This is the last try. Let's go.
Get a new cap.
Last
New
try,
cap.
last
New
try.
cap.
Last try.
New cap.
Let's try.
Polo.
Watch it.
Polo.
What?
I'm recording. Look what's gonna happen again. That one didn't work. Go, you're wasting minutes. Go. Oh gosh. Hey.
Oh my God. Here you go, Vernon. Here.
Holy.
Nick, come over here.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you recording it?
Go,
Yeah.
go.
Put this away. Quick. That's gonna come out here.
That's what happened.
Pick this up.
That's what happened. Yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, that's what happened. Bottles. 1, 2, 3. Bottles. Go.
Go. Alright. That's all we got today. We'll get more later. Alright, turn it off.
Huh?